beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mezabin Pinky. So in today's video I will be creating this look for Valentine's Day, and like literally I am in love with this look. So everyone will be using colors like pinks, reds this Valentine's Day, but like I wanted to do something different, so I created this very soft coral look for Valentine's Day. So I literally love the eye look, the way it came out, and the look is literally very simple, and yet anyone can create this look at home. Why not? Let's create something different, yet it's very elegant too. Okay, so let's begin. First, I am applying this Rose Face Fixing Spray by Makeup Revolution just to prime my face. Then I am applying this Revolution's brow pencil in the shade dark brown, just creating a simple brows here, and I'm not doing too much to the brows, so this is just the simple way I do it for every day. And this look is literally very simple and yet very elegant too. I love the way this look came out, and it's beautiful. And then I am applying this Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium. So I am just cleaning underneath the brow area so that the brows will look very defined and there is no harsh lines underneath the brow. This is how we all do it. And then I am applying this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Foundation in the shade 300. Yes, I have talked about this foundation a lot in my videos, so I am just applying with a damp in Stylish Beauty sponge, and when you wet the sponge, the foundation blends really well. So do use the sponge like this, and like this foundation is literally wow. I love it. Like it does covers all the blemishes and everything from my face, and like it's a matte foundation, and like it lasts longer, and like you don't have to set this foundation at all. Okay, now I am applying this Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I am using in the shade 10. So this is a sample size product which was sent to me by Sephora, and when you buy stuff from Sephora they give you some samples to try. So I chose this one so that I can try, and if I like it I will buy it later. But the product is really good. So it does cover the dark circles under the eye area. I don't have much of the dark circles. Then I am blending it with the same beauty sponge. The sponge is wet, that's why it blends everything really well, and sometimes I use with my hand just because I'm not that sure that it's blended well or not. So when using with your fingertip, it really blends well, especially the under eye area. So then whatever is left on the sponge I am just applying to the rest of the face, and also I am setting all this up now with my favorite Ultra Cosmetics banana powder. This banana powder is really good. I'm using the new one now. I am using the old one, but the new one is really good. Like it's really pigmented. Like when you apply it just shows that you have applied some powder there. But this old one, I think compared to the new one, I don't like the old one much now. But like Oprah Cosmetics products are like literally so good. And then I'm using the Oprah Cosmetics bronzer, as you all have seen in my last videos. Like I have used it and I've talked about it in my last videos too. So this bronzer is really good, and like I really like it. It blends really well, and I really like it. It makes your skin look so flawless, and I am applying all over on my face, as you can see, and then I am taking a small brush and applying on my nose. Like I am also taking a little bit on the edges of my brows, as you can see, and I think taking it on the crease area really defines your feature, and little bit under the lip area. I don't know, this is how I do it. I hope you do like this too. And then I am applying this Opera Cosmetics blush. What the I'm saying? Oh gosh. So this blush is in the shade Rose. And then I'm taking my favorite Opera Cosmetics highlighter. I think this one is in the shade Gold or Rose. I think I've used the Rose one from this palette. And like, I'm not in a mood of doing voiceover today. I just did cleaned up my downstairs and I'm so tired. It's 10:17 a.m. I'm doing both voiceover and literally I can't even talk in this video. Okay, now I am taking this Makeup Revolution's Kisu palette. I think this is how we say it, Kisu, but this palette is literally so pigmented and like the colors are literally so good. The color of this palette is like one of my favorite, pinkish pink color. And like this palette, I have tried it for the first time now, so I am taking this first shade Ivy, IVY, and I am applying it on all over my lid, as you can see here. Then I am taking this shade, I think this is October. Yeah, it's October, and I am applying all over the crease area and also to the outer part of my eye. As you can see, this color is like kind of that burnt orange color, but like if you apply lightly it will only show a bit of orange, but if you apply it too much, then you will see that it's a burnt orange color. So I am applying little bit of product here, but at times I'm taking more product and then blending it on top of the product. So as you can see here, then I am taking this clumsy CLUMSY. This is how you say clumsy, I think. And I'm taking this shade, and this is kind of dark brown shade, I will say, and I'm applying it to the outer part of my eye, and also taking it a little bit on the crease, as you can see here. I am not good at explaining, I think, but I'm trying my best to explain. Like, I have to do so much, then I forget about these videos I make, so that's why. Then I am taking the same Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the shade 10, as I have tell you guys earlier. So I'm taking a flat brush and then I'm applying it, as you can see here, so that when I'll apply the other color, this color will show up properly. So I'm just cleaning it, that part. This concealer is really good, but like it takes a bit of time to dry, but like it's really good. Okay, now I am applying this London. This is a rose shimmer shade, or you can say it's a rosy peachy kind of shade, and like it's literally so beautiful. So I am just applying on top of the concealer I have applied, and like just applying, as you can see here. And like this shade is really beautiful in person, but like I think the camera is not taking it well just because of the lighting. The day I filmed this video, the lighting was very bad, but like I tried to fix it up. I think it is showing up. So this color is really pretty, and the look is really pretty in person. and taking this dark brown clumsy color more, and then I am applying, as you can see here, just to blend everything up, and that color is showing up now. I am really happy that it's showing up in the camera now. And like when you apply these kinds of shadow, you have to apply more if you want your eye makeup to show in pictures while taking pictures. Like that's how I do it, but sometimes the camera doesn't take everything. So taking this Tarte black liner, this liner comes with two sides, one side pen and one side pencil. So I am using the pencil side to apply on the under eye area, like just close to the lower lashes, I will say. And like this liner is good, but I don't like this liner much. The pen part is really good, the other side is really good, but like this side I will say like it's not that good, but it's okay. But like it comes with two products in one, which is good. Then I am applying this Steve Laurent pen liner black. This liner I got in my Bella box. That's a monthly subscription box, and this liner is literally so black and so good. And like I think I have talked about it in my other videos too. And I am just creating a wing, as you can see here. And like these pen liners are so good, and like it's really good for beginners. And then I'm taking this dark brown clumsy color again and blending the lower lash part, just blending that black liner I have applied earlier. Okay, now I am taking this BYS Auto Black Liner and applying on the waterline only. Like you can see, like this liner I have been using a lot in my videos. You guys must have seen it earlier. And here I am taking this Tinsel Time Lid Glitter by Sephora. This lid glitter is so beautiful. I am taking this bronze kind of shade, but like I will say that it's kind of dark rose kind of shade, and like it's in between that color peach and coral. So it really goes well with this look. And then I am applying little bit of glitter on top of this, just because the tinsel glitter was a little bit wet. Then I applied this glitter on top. Like this is a gold glitter. I love it. Like when it dries, like both dry together and like it sticks together, you don't need a glue. Like this Sephora Tinsel Time Lid Glitter is literally wow. And here I am just applying a mascara, and like I will be applying these lashes. These lashes I got from eBay. I don't know what's the name of it. Here I am taking this Ofra's shimmer shadow. Like I think I got this in my monthly subscription box. So this is really good. I'm applying to the inner corner of the eyes and also underneath the brow area. I just don't want too much, but like this shadow is really pigmented. It can be used as a highlighter and also is a shadow too. And then I am taking this Maybelline's lip liner. This lip liner is in color Matita Ochi, like it's that dark orange kind of color. And also I have used the Adele lash glue to stick my lashes, and like the Adele lashes and Adele lash glues are really good. And this liner is really pigmented. I think this is like kind of my favorite color. And then I am applying this Wet n Wild's liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Coral Corruption. And like literally this liquid lipstick is so beautiful. I love it. I hope you liked this look. I am in love with this look. Like it's beautiful. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment below, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also follow me around on social media too, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.